Hello everyone, welcome to LeadTechX, the home of simple instructions, tips and tricks about smart technologies. Basically, everything smart. So, what is unique about LeadTechX? We are passionate about two things: sharing the technology understanding with as many people as you can. The second one is some of these smart technologies can really help us save the planet, go green, accelerate the sustainable use of energy. So, how can we really start to look at these technologies in that kind of a lens so they are going to help us make the world a better place? So, how we're going to achieve our objectives at LeadTechX? Our Tech Made Simple series is really aimed at for those people who want to understand the basics of these smart technologies. So if you're new to smart technologies, want to understand the basics in a very simple language, click on the link above for our Tech Made Simple series. We haven't forgotten about the people who like the details, tips and tricks of some of these technologies. So for those people, we have created the Tech Deep Dive series. So if you want to understand some of these technologies in a little bit more details, click on the link above for the Tech Deep Dive. If you want to look at our first impressions of the smart technologies, please tune into our unboxing series. I really hope you're going to enjoy the content we are creating at LeadTechX. Please like the videos, share the videos with your friends and families to help them with their technology problems. Subscribe to the channel. Finally, don't forget to hit the bell icon. That'll keep you posted with all of the content coming up. Thank you very much. Goodbye.